Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Jesus gave us today a beautiful image on how we can be led to see change and how we can also hope for change, not only around us, but particularly to the rest of us individually. To see not only the splinter present in one's eye, but also to be attentive and to also acknowledge that we also bear a wooden beam in us. Isa ito sa mahigpit na paalala ni Jesus sa kaniyang mga alagad, sa mga taong nakikinig sa Kanya. Not only to see or recognize the splinter in another's eye, but also to recognize the wooden beam that they might be also bear, that they might have a bear during during that moment. And Saint Paul gave us and was a concrete manifestation of such gift. Nakita din niya na madaming mga naging tahilang sa kanyang mata, sa kanyang buhay bilang isang alagad. Ano ba yung mga naging tahilang or the wooden beams that was present in him during his time? He knew for himself that he was a blasphemer, a persecutor, and an arrogant man. And such with God and with his courage, these wooden beams were taken off from him. These wooden beams, God intended to disappear so that Paul may see new life and new hope for him. Maganda pong makita din na hindi lang tayo makakita ng mga maliliit na kapansing-pansing mga bagay sa iba at makita din ang mga malalaking tahilang sa ating mga mata at sa ating pong mga buhay. Our wooden beam can be our arrogance. Our wooden beam can be our selfishness. Our wooden beam can be the many sins that we've been bearing since then. Our wooden beam can be our pride. And Jesus is inviting us to take off such things so that we can see what is also wrong with us, but more than that, to take off the wooden beam so that we can also see what we can hope for. Hindi lang naman inalis ni San Pablo, inalis ng Diyos kay San Pablo ang tahilang ito para makita na ito ang kanyang pagkakamali, dito siya bumagsak, pero nawala ang tahilang ito para makita niya na, ito, bago na akong tao ngayon. Isa na akong taong nagpapahayag ng pananampalataya. Isa na akong disipulo ngayon. We wish to take this wooden beef off from our eyes so that we can also acknowledge what is wrong in us, but we can also see what we can hope for. Tanggalin ang yabang para maging mabait, makita ang ating kabaitan. Makita ang tahilang ng ating pagkakamakasarili upang makita na kaya ko din palang maging mapagbigay. Makita ang tahilang ng pagkayabang upang makita din na kaya ko din maging mahinahon sa aking kapwa. May we have that eyes to see what needs to be done, but also the eyes to see what we can hope for. And we call on the most holy name of Mary just days after we have celebrated her birthday, for such name to guide us and inspire us to take off the wooden beam from our eyes, for us to acknowledge that we have a heavy wooden beams, to acknowledge that we have mistakes, that we have wrongdoings, but also we ask Mary's name that we may take off these wooden beams and see the beautiful hope God has prepared for us.